Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Avid Pro Tools for sound post workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Avid Pro Tools, first, navigate to the Avid website. Locate the Products section on the home page. Click on Pro Tools to access the dedicated Pro Tools page. Look for the Sign In button in the top right corner. If you already have an Avid account, enter your credentials and log in. If you do not have an account, click on Create an account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Confirm your email by following the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, go back to the Pro Tools page. Select the version of Pro Tools you intend to register for. Choose between the free version, subscription, or perpetual license, depending on your needs. Click on the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button as applicable. If purchasing, follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Proceed to complete your order to finalize your purchase. After your purchase is successful, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Avid website and sign in again if you are logged out. Access the My Avid section from the user menu. Locate registered products to find your Pro Tools license. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to activate your Pro Tools software. Download the Pro Tools installer from the website. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Follow the installation prompts to set up Pro Tools on your computer. After installation, open Pro Tools to enter your registration details if prompted. Make sure you are online to complete the activation process. Once activated, explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the workflow. Visit the Avid support resources for additional tips on sound post workflows. Now you are ready to use Avid Pro Tools for your sound post projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.